What if you had a clear, step-by-step blueprint that showed you exactly how to turn your online activity into real income starting in the next 30 days? Welcome to the Worldprofit 30-Day Silver Membership Quick Start Guide. This is not theory. This is your operational blueprint designed to activate your traffic power pack and move you into income-generating mode fast. Let's walk through exactly how this works. This is your 30-day launch sequence. Phase 1, Foundation. You configure your profile and lock in your commission structure. Phase 2, Activation. This is where you bypass manual setup and trigger traffic bonuses immediately. Phase 3, Support. You leverage AI tools, live workshops, and the ticket system to remove roadblocks. And Phase 4, Operations. You deploy your advertising systems and monitor results daily. This sequence strips away the noise and focuses on one thing, turning your traffic power pack into income. Let's talk about the most important first 15 minutes. Step 1, update your profile. Upload your photo and get your account ready. Step 2, navigate to your commissions area through Biz Builders. And Step 3, select your payout method. This is simple but critical because until this is done, nothing else matters. This is you flipping the switch from account created to business activated. Now here's something most people get wrong, and it costs them. Do not skip ahead. Lesson 3 is mandatory before activating your traffic power pack. Why? Because if you activate traffic before you understand the system, you lose leads, waste emails, and miss opportunities. Instead, submit a quick support ticket with one simple message. Give me my bonuses. That ensures everything is activated the right way from the start. You're not doing this alone. You have 3 layers of support working for you. AI Sophia, instant help for writing ads, solving problems, and navigating the platform. The ticket system for account-level support, bonuses, and technical issues. And the Friday Live workshops, where you get deep dive training, strategy, and direct access to leadership. Use the right tool at the right time, and you'll move forward faster than most people ever do. Let's spotlight the Friday Live Bootcamp. This is where everything starts to click. Every Thursday, you'll see a reminder inside your dashboard, preparing you for the next session. Inside the bootcamp, you get live walkthroughs, real strategies, and direct access to training that accelerates your results. If you attend consistently, you will not stay stuck. This is one of the biggest advantages you have. Use it. Now we move into your advertising arsenal. The Precision Strike Ruby Solo Blaster delivers high-impact messages directly to premium safe lists. The automated feed, Diamond Rotator, keeps your promotions running in the background. And the core engine, Traffic Blaster, powers continuous visibility. These are not random tools. They are a coordinated system designed to generate exposure, clicks, and leads daily. Your job is simple. Learn them and deploy them consistently. Here's where you gain a serious advantage. The pre-written ad vault. Over 100 proven ads, already written, already tested, and ready to use. You don't need to guess what works. You simply take these ads and post them to the top safe lists and exchanges. Master this first, because this is your fastest path to generating traffic without overthinking. Now let's level up Safe List Commander. This tool automates and tracks your promotions across multiple safe lists from one single interface. Instead of logging into dozens of sites, you control everything from one dashboard. It also gives you flexibility, allowing you to promote both Worldprofit and any affiliate programs you choose. This is where efficiency turns into scale. Now here's the truth most people ignore. Your business lives and dies by your data. That's why your report card matters. It shows your rotator status, your ad performance, and your workshop attendance. This is your control panel. Check it daily, because what gets measured gets improved. This is your daily operating system. Fuel, grab pre-written ads. Fire, distribute using SafeList Commander and Ruby Blaster. Monitor, check your results on your report card. Optimize, attend the Friday Bootcamp and use AI Sophia. Repeat this cycle daily, and you build momentum. If you ever get stuck, submit a support ticket. That's it. This is not complicated. It's a system. Follow it, stay consistent, and let it work for you. Now let's get you started.